Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna be making a low-carb stir-fry rice recipe. Let's get started. We're gonna be using cauliflower rice, peas and diced carrots, and egg whites. We're gonna turn the oven on medium heat for now. We're gonna grab a pan and spray with coconut oil. We're gonna add the cauliflower rice and the peas and diced carrots. And for the seasoning, I'm gonna be using minced garlic, sesame oil, garlic powder, pink Himalayan salt, paprika, and garlic pepper. Now I'm gonna add some coconut oil, then some egg whites. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Peace.